Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada coins to cash. So to convert Lazada coins to cash, it's important to note that Lazada coins cannot be directly converted into cash or withdrawn as money. Lazada coins are a reward system that you can earn through purchases, reviews, or special promotions and can be used to get discounts on future purposes with the Lazada application. So of course, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Lazada application. Once updated, open. And then what you're going to do here is you have to locate your account. So once you tap account here, and then you will see activate account right here. Take note, in order for you to earn coins, you can earn Lazada coins by shopping on Lazada and completing orders, writing reviews for products you purchase, and participating in promotional activities or games on the application. Once you tap that, then you will see this wallet application right here. Here you can add the number or you can add here and then click get code, enter the code here and activate wallet. So here in your wallet, this is where you can, receive your Lazada coins. So when you check out, you will have option to apply your Lazada coins. Yes, indeed, it's very important because this will somehow reduce the total cost of your order. Coins are typically applied as partial discount with one coin equivalent to a small amount. For example, one Lazada coin equivalent to 1 peso in the Philippines, depending on the region. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to convert Lazada coins to cash. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.